Tropics in a bottle? Yes, please. Hey guys, welcome back. What's going on, subs, and how y'all doing, noobs? And just in case you don't know what a noob is short for newbie. And just in case you don't know what a newbie is, honey, don't you worry. I'm about to tell you. A newbie be anybody checking me out, maybe for the first time, maybe for the second. It may even be for the third, fourth, or fifth. We don't count those numbers around here. We really don't. I just want all of my subs and I want all of my noobs to gather around and come on in. Okay, so for today we have a new product, and I'm pretty much secured as far as my hair products are concerned, but this is sort of a hair/body product, so we're going to give it a little peruse, if you will. But before that, I just want to send out a thank you to everyone, and those who have watched my video this past Sunday. You know exactly what I'm talking about. You know what I'm referring to. You guys are so sweet and so kind. Thank you. Okay, so rolling right along, I got a new product in. Now, I was kind of curious about it because I had seen it around. And this particular company I had heard a lot about with regard to their hair products. So one day I was just minding my own business, tapping on the internets, and I saw the product and I said, you know what, I'm gonna try it out. So I tap, I put it in my cart, I brought it on here. Well, they brought it on here, and now here we are, and we are going to try it all. Well, those who haven't tried it, we are going to try it. I'm going to try it for the very first time and let you know my initial thoughts. And what am I talking about? I am talking about none other than, it is called the Hair and Body Mist by Ouai. Now, for those who are not familiar, Ouai is a company that sells a lot of hair care products, from shampoos to conditioner to deep masks, as well as body products. They sell a lot of scents and fragrances and moisturizers for the body as well. But when I first heard of them, I heard about their hair products, and a lot of people like their products. Now, again, you guys know that I have my day ones, my staples that I'm pretty much married to. But 'tis the season to try, a couple of things new. And so I decided to try this because this was a hair and body mist. And as aptly described, you can not only use it on your body, but in your hair. So they say. So with that being said, this particular scent is called Saint Barts. So it's supposed to exude and be reminiscent of like the beach, like vacation, beachy vibes, Caribbean, the salt, the air, the sun, the ocean. You get my drift. So with notes of dragon fruit, orange blossom, tuberose, and musk, this particular scent is supposed to be all that in a bag of chips. At least that's what they say. And we will be the judge of that in just a moment. And just as a little side note, the name of the company, Ouai, is a more casual version of the French word oui for yes. So, now that we've all been educated on the background of this particular mist, let's see what it is hitting for, as they say out there in the streets. Now, just looking at the packaging, I like the packaging because it's very simple. It's a simple bottle. I believe it's hard plastic. It has the name of the company on the front. And yeah, you can see the fragrance inside. It's not too much. There's barely any color to it. And it has a pop-off lid. So it's a nozzle, a little nozzle like that. Okay, so let's see. Ooh, oh, that is nice. Okay, you can definitely smell the orange blossom. Yeah, that's nice. It's nice and light. And I don't know if you could see the spray come out. I don't want to do too much. but it's a nice mist. It does come out as a nice mist. I'll show it one more time. I don't know if you can see that. So it does come out as a really nice mist. I can see that. I can see this being a nice vacation. It's like a nice vacation in a bottle. And the size is just right for whether you're hopping on a plane and going someplace nice or just quick jaunt to the store. I can definitely see this as a quick grab and go, where you don't even have to think about it. It can translate nicely from day to night. I can see that. And it definitely screams summer. Sun, brightness, tad bit of sweet, and a little hint of sultry, if you will. But yeah, I can see all that. I can smell all that in this one fragrance. Yeah. So I like it. I like it. First impression, I definitely like it. I definitely like it as a body mist. Now, as far as my hair is concerned, now y'all know that I'm very particular about my coif, my do, or my strands, because we've been through some things. And now that we have recovered, I'm not so quick to just throw anything on it. So when I did read about this hair and body mist, again, I wanted to see the ingredients, and it does start off with water, but it does have alcohol in it, which may not be a surprise to anyone. But it does have SD alcohol or alcohol denatured, and that's in a lot of products, okay? A lot of cosmetics, a lot of products, including hair products. So that doesn't give me total pause, but with that being said, I would use this sparingly on my hair, if at all. I would spray it on my hand. You guys know, and those who are initiated, that when I put products in my hair, I spray it on my hand anyway to sort of disperse it and have control over where everything goes. And this will pretty much be the same. What I would do is I would spray it on my hand, and I'd probably just put it around my temples. I probably wouldn't put it all over my hair. I would put it by my temples and maybe a little bit at the nape of my neck, and that would pretty much be it for me. That would be enough for me. But people have used it all over, and depending on what you already use on your hair, this really shouldn't be an issue. Again, I use heat. I use other products that have alcohol in it. So even though one more product probably won't tip the ship, if you will, but I just want to be careful with everything. So for me, I would use this body-wise as well as just on my temples and maybe the nape of my neck. But I do like this a lot, and I can see why people find this very appealing. Now, I can't speak to how long it would last on your skin or even in your, I think it would last longer in your hair than on your skin. But with regard to your skin, you know that fragrances wear differently on just about everybody. Now on me, I mean, I just sprayed it so I can still smell it. And again, being that this is more of a eau de toilette, if you were to compare it to actual fragrances, this would be more of a toilette than a parfum because it does have the alcohol in it. So again, it may not wear as long as maybe a parfum on you. But with this particular scent, you can always layer it. This is a type of scent that you could layer with something else, whether it be another fragrance, because I know a lot of people like to layer different fragrances and all like that, but also with a body butter, something like a vanilla or, you know, something a little spicy. This would complement a lot of products as far as body products that you may already have or may want to get. And speaking of body products, I believe they have a body scrub, scalp and body scrub in this same scent. Not only do they have the scalp and body scrub, they have the body cleanser, the body creme, which is, you know, like a thick moisturizer, as well as they have this scent in an air freshener. So honey, if you love the St. Bart's fragrance that they're offering, you can not only layer it, honey, you can bask, bathe, and breathe it all in to your heart's content. So they have a lot of different offerings with this particular scent that you can indulge in. And they do have other scents. I believe one is called Melrose and something. But first impressions, I like it. I like it a lot. And with this particular mist, it comes in 2 sizes. So this is actually the travel size, which is pretty big. as far as I'm concerned. This is 3.3 fluid ounces, and I believe the next size or the full size is 8 ounces, if I'm not mistaken. So you get a lot in the travel size, because usually travel size are itty bitties, but this is not an itty bitty. It's about the size of my hand, as you can see. And this is 3.3 ounces. So depending on how often and how much you use, this should last a while. And again, I can see why this particular scent is very popular. It's very light, but sufficient. And it's not overwhelming. And all the notes sort of come together, including Baltic amber. All these notes come together to make a nice, pleasant, tropical scent. If you're interested in it at all, again, it comes in 2 sizes. This particular size is about $28. And the full size, which is, again, 8 ounces, that's only for $10 more. It's about $38. So you're really getting a bang for your buck, if you will, because you're getting more than double the size, but for less the price. Now, I got the 3.3 because I wasn't too sure. I just wanted to try it out. But now that I have it, I can see getting the bigger bottle at some point. But we're going to nurse this one just for a little bit. And yeah, I think this is going to be my go-to as far as for the summer. Like I said, it's an easy grab and an easy go. So again, if you're interested, these products can be found, I believe they can be found a lot of places, including Amazon. I'll have that link below, as well as their website, which is ouai.com. I believe Sephora or Ulta may have it as well. Oh, I'm glad my curiosity did not get me in trouble this particular time. And yeah, I'm very happy that I tried this out with all of you. Okay, so that's all I got for you. I told you it was going to be, well, didn't I say it was going to be quick? Well, I should have said it was going to be quick because this was a quickie. I just wanted to come on in here. Summertime is about to start and we're getting some new things going on as far as new do's and new frou-frous and new shoes, and why not add a new scent to the mix? And that's exactly what we did. So now that we did that, we can get up out of here. What do you say? I think we should, honey. So that's what we're about to do. So with that being said, that wasn't too bad, right? We were in and out okay. I want to thank you so much for dialing in and showing up. I really do appreciate it. I really do. I really do. And yeah, we'll be back talking about some more stuff. Honey, we got some more stuff to talk about, so I need y'all got to come on back for that. So you already know it's going to be the same Dolce dial. It's going to be the same Dolce channel. So you come on back.